Islam, the core concept of God, known as Allah, revolves around the belief in a single, unparalleled being, the Almighty Creator and Sustainer of the universe. This concept, called Tawhid, is the cornerstone of Islam. Allah is unlike anything in creation, and nothing can be compared to Him. Surah Al-Ikhlas, chapter 112 of the Quran encapsulates this concept, declaring, "He is God, the one God, the self-sufficient refuge, who does not beget, nor is He begotten, and there is none like Him." Muslims believe Allah is the sole creator, everything else is His creation. He fashioned the cosmos, stars, earth, and all beings. The Quran emphasizes this concept in numerous verses, asserting that Allah is the creator of everything, possessing absolute authority. He is the originator, the fashioner, and possesses the most beautiful names. Everything in the heavens and earth proclaims His glory. Islam stresses the uniqueness of God in His essence, attributes, qualities, and actions. God is Ahad, uniquely one, indivisible. There is none like Him. He is As-Samad, the ultimate source of existence, the uncaused cause who created all things from nothing, eternal, absolute, immutable, perfect, complete, essential, independent, and self-sufficient. He doesn't need anyone. God's omniscience encompasses all things, past, present, and future. He knows everything, everywhere, at all times, and from eternity past. He is fully aware of our thoughts, intentions, and actions. The Quran states God is the controller, the Holy One, source of peace, granter of security, guardian, almighty, compeller, and truly great. Monotheism, the belief in one God, is paramount in Islam. Muslims believe God created humankind to worship Him and sent messengers to guide people. The Quran describes God with 99 names, each reflecting an attribute, such as the merciful, the compassionate, the just, the wise. These names emphasize God's perfect nature.